been hating way too long. Yeah, yeah, too long. How about that? Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I'm with the AP, spent 200K. They told me to frost, rainbow face. They hope I fall off. Ain't no way, I might be alright, but it ain't okay.
What's up, guys? It's your boy K12 Slimy. Welcome back. Today we are at the scrimmage. You know what I mean? How's it?
It was good.
How's the weather today?
It's cold.
It's cold. But like, anyways, but we are hot. You know what I mean? But like, you know what I'm saying? We have to show off the little band.
We are hot. Yo, what does that even mean, bro?
I don't know, but like, we have to flex out the merch. You know what I mean?
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But like, our amazing Inspire banner.
Is it touching everything?
We're selling some food. If we just make our way over here, you know what I mean? We're selling a bunch of food, you know what I mean? We got Crush, root beer, you know what I mean? $1.50 each, you know what I mean? Not too crazy, you know what I'm saying? We just have water bottles, you know what I'm saying? We're just trying to like feed the people, you know what I mean? Because like we all about like helping people with hunger, struggling with hunger and poverty, so we gotta
Poverty. But you have to pay for the food. Oh, but it's very cheap. Oh.
But it's very cheap, you know what I mean? It's very cheap.
Oh, it's very cheap.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? We always...
Yeah, you love me. Yeah, I got you.
But yeah, we always, we say shiesty up, you know what I mean? We always got the shiesty on, you know what I mean? Because you already know how it be, it's a lot of teams, you know?
K12 hood.
K12 Slimy, hashtag hood, you know what I mean? But anyways, you know what I mean? We'll see you when we go to T104. What's up, guys? It's your boy, K12 Slimy. Right now, we in T104. We're cooking up on the robot, you know what I mean, Billy?
Well,
Oh, he doesn't know what to say. All right, put the camera back on, you know what I mean? Philip Johnson, yo, how's the robot?
whoa, this guy got new merch?
New merch. New merch, turn around. Thank you to all our sponsors, you know what I mean? Yo, Chris.
I'm not your slave now, bro.
Chris, how's it?
If you don't want to bring it, I'll bring it.
Oh,
Yo, how's the robot?
How's the robot?
Yeah. Huh? The robot's good.
The robot's good.
Oh, wait. That's the first time we ever heard that.
Yo, first time we ever heard it. Alright. How's your first day on our team? Like, this is the first time you're actually like, you know,
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
See, free Timbits right there.
Free Timbits right there, you know what I mean?
I bet.
Wow.
No.
Anyways, we're gonna make our way to the cafeteria, you know what I mean? We're gonna go sell some food, you know what I mean? But not too crazy, you know what I mean? But I guess we'll see you in the caf. Alright, so what's up, guys? It's your boy K12 Slimy. Right now, we just got a huge lunch refill, you know what I mean? Ramen, you know what I mean? We got pizza, yo, look how much ramen we have. Yo, but like, anyways, we selling right now, yo. Look how much sales we made, you know what I mean? The numbers just keep going up, you know what I mean? Look, racks on, you know what I mean? Everyone's hungry right now, it's lunchtime. We got so much pizza.
How's the robot?
Robot's going pretty good.
Happy birthday, Anho. Okay, you Daniel, how's it going?
It's going, bro. Alright, what's up, guys? It's your boy K12 Slimy. Right now, we just finished lunch, you know what I mean? Right now, we are at the game field, you know what I mean? The finished games, like, you know, a couple of students, you know what I mean? Lots of teams. Our bar is not going right now, but, you know, we all just watching, you know what I mean? Having a great time, you know? 27 to 10. Advanced high score. Not bad. You know what I mean? Not bad. First scrimmage, you know what I mean? I don't really know what's happening over there. I'm not sure. But like, anyways, I guess we're gonna cut back to our match. You know? What's up, guys? It's your boy K12 Slimy. We just got the new highest score of the scrimmage. You know what I mean? 71 to 25.
Hooray!
You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Like, it was like we were scoring a lot of samples. You know what I mean? We scored like 10 of those. You know what I mean? Like, really, how was the first match?
It was really good. It was actually really good.
It was really good. It was
So
really,
why are you pushing me? Because we got Anho driving for the first time. That's
incredible. It was incredible. We scored 10 samples, 71.
Remember when he like fell 3 times?
Oh, yeah, Evan.
Yeah.
Bro, what? Yeah.
But anyways, we're gonna cut back later. What's up, guys? It's your boy K12 Slimy. Right now, we're in T104. We're working on the robot right now. You know what I mean? Testing out a new angle. You know what I mean?
Testing out a new angle.
Nothing too crazy, bro. You know what I mean? But like, is our robot ready, guys?
No. Yes, sir.
Yo, it's today's Anhe's birthday.
said happy birthday,
Happy birthday. Anhe's 18. You know what I mean?
Daniel's 18.
Daniel's 18.
Alright, I'm gonna
Philip is 18.
Whoa.
Alright, what's up, guys? It's your boy K12 Slimy. So right now we finished the scrimmage. You know what I mean? There's like 13 of us.
13 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh.
Who's this?
Hey,
Yo, potential 15th member over
potential 15th member. Nah. Right
now,
ban him.
Anha's birthday. Happy birthday, Anha.
Happy birthday, Anha. Happy birthday, Anha. Mongolia.
Wait, he's 18.
Yo, can you take us to Mongolia? Whoa, he's 18. Yo, you can't touch him anymore.
Stop.
Whoa!
Wait, no, this guy's 1700, bro.
Wait, 1700. I couldn't.
Nah, but anyways, we about to go choose what to eat, you know what I mean? Successful
Where we
food,
eating?
you know
Where we
what I'm
eating?
saying? How much money did we make in the scrimmage?
How much money did we make?
500.
500.
500. Alright, bet.
And we still got cake.
And we got some cake. Wait, I said no more.
Cake, you know what I mean? Yo, W. Eric set up like some iron food
W.
stand.
Eric, you know what I mean? He just be collecting the bands, you know what I mean? The bands, you know what I mean?
More bands than Billy.
More bands than Billy.
I literally said that. No.
Dude, you're gonna walk into a car.
We gotta go highly long, you know what I mean? Eat some food with Anha, but
Eh?
that's the end. Yo, everyone. Yo,
Hand it.
Wait, we're not doing the dabble? Hold on.
Oh yeah, wait. No. That's for comps only. Comps only.
Yo, what are we saying?
Oh shit.
Betty, come here.
Whoa. Who's that?
Team member, I forgot.
Oh yeah, that's a 15th member right there.
Betty was on our team.
Wait, yeah, she's a part of our team. She's a part of our team. All right.
What?
What do you say?
Pork's on 3.
Pork's on 3. 1, 2, 3. Pork's on.
Faster. I know that you drinking and thinking, girl, why you moving faster? You don't gotta live with this feeling, so shawty, come do better. My vibe, I could keep your head up. I got mine, got no vendetta. Long clip, I don't